Hello, welcome to Husband TV. My name is Asunko Benjamin. Today, we are going to learn and we are going to do it by our own self, how to change the cloth pattern, okay? This particular material. There are certain things you need to consider before you move on to do any design or you do on any cloth pattern. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment and share. By the end of this video, you will master how to change cloth pattern to any material by knowing how to even do mock-up. All right, first of all, you need to consider eye graphics. When I say eye graphics, I simply mean that you need to consider the type of material or the type of cloth or the type of item you are going to deal with. Is it a plastic? Is it leather? Is it metal? Or is it a glass material? You need to consider this. After that, you need to also consider where are they going to use the particular material on this particular screen, okay? So first of all, let's check this one out. This material is purposely a Chinese classic wear. All right, so in Chinese culture, they design their clothes with flowers and do everything with flowers. Therefore, it is our duty today to also use a Chinese pattern design to make this particular item. So let's move on. By doing this, first of all, after considering the type of material and the type of design you are going to mount with this cloth here, what we will do first is that you will hold Ctrl J to duplicate this layer and name this particular layer cloth selection. Name it cloth selection. After naming it cloth selection, you move to the toolbar and select your quick selection tool. All right, after that, you can use the bracket open or the bracket close keys to change the size of the selection tool you picked, okay? So I'll make it to this limit by choosing 35. All right, so now we will select the material. Because we are going to change the pattern of this particular material, there's no need for us to select all the items, but rather what we will do now is that we will just select only the material we think we are going to do the design. So you move on to select it to the limit and how you want it to do. So we repeat the process until we get what we want. All right, stick to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave your comment under the comment section. So let's make our selections work. All right, so after getting this, let's fit it on screen, okay? So we have now fitting on screen. So after selecting this particular material like this, what you do is you move to the layers. In my next video, I'll teach you how to master layers and what it meant to know how to use layers. All right, and the benefit of a particular designer knowing how to use layers very well. So after now, you select the cloth selection layer, then you move down to the layers panel. Below the layers panel, you will choose layer mask, then you click on it, left click to add the layer mask. Now you can see that the marks you added to the cloth selection, there is a black space behind it and only the cloth you selected is being white. This means that we are going to deal with the cloth alone. So after getting this particular limit, you can see that the design is backwards to its old or its previous limit, okay? So you move to file and place in your design. All right, you move to file like this. When you move to file, then you choose move to file and choose place, okay? You can choose place embedded or place. All right, so now let's choose the particular design we want to use. So you can navigate to all the downloaded designs you think it is nice and perfect for you. I will choose this particular outfit. All right, so after it's been placed like this, you can adjust it and place it on the cloth. And one thing you need to know is that you need to let it cover the selection of the material, okay? You need to let it cover. So if you think it is too small for you, you can adjust it a little bit like this to move it so that it will close everything. After that, click enter. If you click enter, you move the mouse pointer to the layer you just placed here. You right click on it, then you will choose creating clipping marks, okay? After creating the clipping marks, it will automatically adjust itself. It will automatically adjust itself to the design you just selected. So you can see here how it is. Let's fit it on screen. Okay, this is how it is. So now what you do is you change the blending mode from normal to multiply. When you change it from normal to multiply, automatically you can see that the design pattern you put inside the material is automatically multiplied with the actual image you pasted. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is we are not done with it. You can see that there are some outcomes, but you can add some adjustment to it to make it very nice. So therefore, let's move on to double click on the layer, okay, to open our blending mode options to adjust certain keys on it. So when you open it, you select blending option, that is the customer. You're going to customize it. So let's push this particular item here to adjust it. So by doing this, you move downwards and you hold Alt. What we are going to do, we are going to make some highlights visible. This particular side, there is a shadow here, so we need to adjust it. So you move down to the underlying layer. Okay, underlying layer, you hold Alt, then you drag this thing here to make it more detailed. All right, so after doing this, you can hold OK. Then after making it, how is it looking right now? You can see that it's been adjusted to the design or whatever we are trying to deal with here. Okay, so don't worry, let's move on. We can even decide to add some adjustment layer to it by choosing color selection from the adjustment panel. Okay, so color selection, let's choose red. Okay, we can increase the size of the red to this limit to make the cloth more detailed. All right, so this is okay for now. Let's increase the black, this limit, and move on to the colors. Choose black. Let's adjust the black color in it to this limit a little bit. Okay, so now I think it is okay. So let's come back to our white and add some layers to the white. Let's adjust the white to this limit a little bit and click OK. So now we are good to go. Hold Alt Control to select the layers and group them. After selecting them, hold Control G to group them. So now we can check. This is the previous material we are having, and this is the current. Previous, current, previous, current, previous, current. All right, so thank you for watching this video to this limit. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave your comment under the comment section.